with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. In the class, learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP.
I be in the class, sitting in a desk, watching PowerPoints that make no sense. They be very long, lasting many days, only 3 slides left. There is no way. We take lots of notes, 'cause we give a dang. We failed every test, but still got an A, 'cause we know our P hat and standard D, alpha, beta, sigma, they're all the same to me. In a good experiment, the things you do are sampled randomly and largely too. There can't be bias, 'cause then you're screwed. But with an SRS, we'd be good to go.
Yes! In the class, learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. In the class, learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP.
I've been using T-test or I've been using Z-score. Sometimes it's a paired test, sometimes it's a pooled one. Standard distribution. Yeah, it's confusing. Such a long formula. How do we use it? Upper, lower, interquartile range. Gotta put it on a box plot 'cause it's so easy to draw it. Mr. Clifton is so great. Ask him what phi is. It's 1.68.
In a good experiment, the things you do are sampled randomly and largely too. There can't be bias, 'cause then you're screwed. With an SRS, we'd be good to go.
I'm in the class learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. In the class learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP.
I be drawing graphs. They be very skewed. Lower tail is 2.5 and the upper one is 2. 95% is 1.96. That's the confidence level and the Z critical. Errors, errors, errors. There's 2 types, 1 and 2. You can keep it or reject it, but if it depends if it's true. But if it's false, then you know it's type 2. But if it's true, then it's right and you know what to do.
In a good experiment, the things you do are sampled randomly and largely too. There can't be bias, 'cause then you're screwed. But with an SRS, we'd be good to go.
I'm in the class learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. In the class learning stats with my calc on. Tatted up formulas on our forearms. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Stats in Clifton's class. Third period AP.
Tatted up formulas on the floor. Ready, here it comes. We were so alpha, beta, sigma, girl. What are we gonna do? You're gonna just be like, and I'll be like, I'm gonna stick my
Go.
Yeah?
Go.
Only 3 sides left.
That was a 10.
I said 3.
You
I
had
had
two.